Look at my nose. It looks so bad now. Hey everybody, so today I will be doing an unboxing, which I already opened it, in front of the camera though. This is just the intro. This is the blackhead suction remover, and this is what it looks like. So if you guys want to see my first impressions, my unboxing, which I'm showing you right now, but all the accessories and everything and how to use it and how I think of it, then just keep watching. All right, we're gonna open this bad boy together. So, I haven't opened it yet. So I saw this on Instagram. Open it. I saw it on Instagram, but I didn't look up any videos on it or anything. But I was like, oh my gosh, I have to try that out. And I cannot open this plastic. Ah, is it so hard? There we go. So I think the brand is called Kufu. I don't know. That's what it looks like right there. I will link this down below also. Alright, we're gonna open it together. It has the user manual right here, which we will be reading this whole thing because I have no clue how to do this. A little Amazon card saying thank you customer. And it has these little things. I'm guessing that's to catch all the blackheads. I guess we're gonna find out. It has, oh cool, there's 4 different sizes of these. Dang it! Better be charged. A charger. Hopefully it's charged. And this is the machine itself. It looks like one of those, you know, to check your temperature when the doctors stick it in your ear. Or not to check your temperature, but to actually look inside your ear and see if you have an ear infection or anything. Oh, it works. Ooh, it has different. Oh, I'm gonna show you on my finger. On my hand, watch, ready? You see that? It already has a little thing in it. I don't know, this is the highest though. Okay. So I was thinking when I saw this, you probably don't want to leave it in the spot for too long because then it's gonna look like, you know, you have a hickey or something. And then I kinda got a little red mark right there. If you can see it on my hand. So first things first, I'm the realist. Anyways, first things first. We're gonna read this. Please dry your hand before using the device, otherwise the water may go into the device. Okay. How to use. Step 1, wash your face with a hot towel to open the pores. Okay, so I'm only gonna do my nose. So I'm gonna take a makeup remover wipe and I'm just gonna take all the makeup around my nose because that's where I get all my blackheads. All that. Look at how different that looks. Okay. And then I'm gonna go take a hot towel and open up my pores. Okay, I took a hot towel like it said to do, and I just put it on the area that I'm gonna use it on, which is gonna be my nose for today. And it's supposed to open up the pores. You can really tell the difference. I'm gonna zoom in. Hopefully you can see that. It might be too bright. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. Oh yeah, you can. So the large one is the one that I'm using right now. That one says it's for your nose. So let's do this. Turn it on. You can hear it. I'm gonna do the highest one because I have a lot of blackheads. Okay, I'm scared. Oh my god. Oh, that scared me. That hurt. Ow. So it kind of hurts a little bit. Not bad. Okay. You see it? Ow! I wonder if it's getting any of the blackheads out. Ouch! I could see like a lot of my whiteheads like coming through. This just go down like that. Look at my nose! It's like ruining my nose. I mean, this is my first time doing this, so I'm sure I'll get the hang of it. I know. Ow. You can hear it though. Just... I honestly see all my blackheads. Like, it didn't do anything. So let's try just one spot. I'm not putting it that high this time. Like right here, I have a bunch. Ouch! Look at that! I'm gonna look like Rudolph after this. I think you can see it actually getting the blackhead though. I can't tell. I think you can now. See? Look at. I'll turn it off and show you guys. I left it on too long right there. Like I was saying, like if you leave it on too long, it probably turns into like, it looks like a hickey. That's exactly what happened. Cause it's not a sore. It just looks like I got my nose sucked on. Look at how bad my nose looks right now. It looks so bad. Try a little bit more because I want to see if this thing works or not. But just make sure, I would just like start at the top of your nose maybe. And then just go down. But make sure you don't leave it on too long. Like continuously move with it. Because if you leave it on too long, that's gonna happen. Oh Lord. This is the lowest. Ah! I got like right there, I got a lot of blackheads. Ouch! Okay, so my nose is ruined. I'm gonna put a little bit of my First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream because I have very dry skin and I feel like that just dried my skin out even more. Gonna put that on it. And my nose is a little sore from that. And look at how red it is now. Alright. Now I want to look at this. See if you guys can see anything in it. There's a little bit. There's nothing inside of it, like I already took it apart. See that? Take it apart for you. This right here doesn't have anything in it. I'm guessing that's just the filter though. So I'm thinking this is what's supposed to have something in it. There's a little, see? Turn it. A little bit. Like I could see up close. It's a little bit of whiteheads right here. And like the sides of it. But I feel like that's not really my whiteheads or anything. I think that that's just leftover foundation that I didn't take off all the way. Because that's seriously what it looks like. and it destroyed my nose. This was my first time using this product. I did follow all the directions. I read them to you guys and followed it as it said. I don't like this. I have a lot of blackheads, which I use pore strips and stuff, and it does get them out for the most part. On my nose is like my problem area, and I just, like, I could still see them. I could still see my blackheads, I mean, which after this I'll just use a pore strip, which is what I usually use, and it gets most of them away and I don't have any problems. But this, I feel like this didn't do anything. Like, it just made my skin super red. The lowest one even was uncomfortable. It's uncomfortable. When using this, you need to work super fast. You can't just leave it in one spot, or it is gonna do like what it did here and here, and even in some areas I didn't leave it on too long. It says they don't recommend you leaving it on longer than 3 seconds. So I was trying to go down, but sometimes like it just gets stuck in one spot and then you have to like yank it off, and then when you yank it off, it could cause that too. It's not just leaving it on too long, it's when you gotta pull it off. I should have just turned it off. So if that happens where it gets stuck on you, just press the power button. Probably would have been a lot easier. I don't know why I didn't do that. So yeah, I don't recommend this bad boy. This thing was 20 bucks. I mean, I'll link it if you guys want to try it. But, oops. I don't recommend it. It hurt my skin. My nose looks so raw, and it feels so raw and bad. I don't like it. I don't know. Forget it.